got finished working today. I went to the salon to work today, and so I only have how many days left to this trip? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 days left until the trip to Liberia. And I had to take all my stuff out my luggage because I went to Walmart yesterday and I bought some more stuff, and I just feel like I keep buying stuff. But I'm trying to still get a handle on what I'm really wearing. While I was at the salon, my brother sent me a text saying that it's supposed to be 80 but raining in Liberia, and I'm like, that sounds like it's gonna be so uncomfortable. So I'm just still trying to get a grasp on what I'm really wearing. Like, I tore my luggage apart and took everything back out. I gotta put everything back in, like, so when I get home, I think I'm gonna do a video about packing, or I'm gonna continue this video about packing, because this is kind of frustrating, because I don't want to buy another thing of luggage, but I don't want to not have something that I need to wear, so I'm and then the boots that I got from REI, if it's raining, I understand they're waterproof, but I kind of want like a combat boot almost. So I really need to rethink this. Like, between tonight and tomorrow, I really gotta rethink, because I just don't know if I want to wear the shoes that I originally got for this trip. So yeah. So we'll come back when I'm packing. Everything, as you see, is a big mess, because everything that you see on the floor is all supposed to fit in between these two bags. I probably have too much stuff, and every time I go to the store, I find something different that I can probably use for the trip. I'm gonna attempt to weed down the different things that I do and don't need for the trip. So I'll talk about different things that I need. Like, okay, so obviously I gotta do laundry, like my undies and stuff. Obviously I have to have that type of stuff, but I got a lot of stuff over here. So I'm about to try to redo this, because it just doesn't really flow the way that it's going right now, or it's not gonna flow because everything is everywhere. So I do need to have my tripod. I'm taking one of my cheapy tripods that I had gotten from Amazon. So I am gonna take a few little pieces of makeup with me. I thought my phone was recording what I was talking about. Basically, I went through my toiletry bag. I just list the items that I have, because this is becoming way too cumbersome.